Hey guys, I am Mr. Herney. I will be teaching 5th hour AP Calculus this year. This will be my 6th year teaching AP Calculus. And this is...
Hi, I'm Kayla Ryan, and I'm the other Calc teacher. This year I have Calculus first hour, and this will be my 9th year teaching Calculus at Junction. So we wanted to do a little video to introduce our target families to our AP Calc program. Mr. Herney and I work really closely together as a team, and the kids get used to both of us as teachers and going to each other's study sessions, which is a big commitment and part of calculus. So we thought we'd just start on day one and do our video together.
So we have a list of AP Calculus materials. You'll need pencils and pens, several notebooks for class. I mean, we're going to be going through lots of notes, lots of homework problems. Just get several notebooks to begin with for the year. An individual math binder is kind of what we'd recommend because you will have so many papers for math.
And then, I mean, this year being different, as everybody knows, and now our schedule is going to be even and odd days, we have kind of recommended as a school, like the kids could buy one big 2-inch binder for their even classes and one big binder for their odd classes. So if they feel more comfortable doing that and they just want a big binder, and in that big binder they do a section for our AP Calc class, and that could work too. But if they feel more comfortable with just an individual math binder, it is a college level course, and so they can earn college credit at the end if they do well enough to get a qualifying score on the AP exam. So maybe they want to like have just one binder and carry it with them to college. So whatever makes them more comfortable. And then, of course, loose leaf paper for homework, the TI 84 plus graphing calculator. And if we had a back to school night in person, we usually show these. We also rent these as a department. So you want to make sure you get the TI 84 plus. And then if you get the TI 84 plus with the CE next to it, those are the ones that have the color screen. They take 4 AAA batteries if they're this type. And then the color ones you can also charge on a charging cord.
This year we're also going to ask to have a 4-pack of kind of dry erase expo markers. So any kind of thing like that. Because we do like to have students come up to the board, and with sanitation type stuff, we would like to have each student have their individual ones to class every day. Also, tissue box, a roll of toilet or paper towels would be great.
Yeah, kind of like a donation either or. And make sure students that you actually bring these in your backpack, whiteboard markers, so you're only touching your own, and we're trying to keep the contamination to a minimum there. So we'll have these materials listed out on probably an email that we send out too, but we thought that'd be an easy way to go through it, and you could start thinking about school supplies for this year. The kids will also get, it's actually not that bad for thickness, their AP Calc book that we will get checked out to them right away the very first day. And since that goes through our lady in the library that does all book checkouts, if you end up switching classes, we need this right back, or then your student would be fine because that book would be checked out to them. So if they end up switching schedules, we need those right back.
There is kind of homework expectation every single day. We want students doing it every night. Don't procrastinate, that sort of thing. Try to keep it organized. We'll give the students a calendar for kind of each chapter, each month, so they can see kind of exactly what they're going to be assigned.
This is also, from a parent point of view, a good way to help your students stay a little organized. If we end up going into virtual, it gets really overwhelming, and so we still would probably have those in virtual, and it has like the study sessions that we host that are listed on there as well. So we try and put that on there. One thing about this year, all the teachers will have a Google Classroom. So both Herney and myself will have that calendar right at the top of our Google Classroom. So if you're a parent and you want to check on things and kind of help your kid organize their week, you can click on that real quick and see kind of the layout for that week or that unit that we're in.
And although we're having students do their homework on paper, we're having them submit all of it online, and we're going to kind of walk the students through that the first week of school and kind of do it with them so they understand what's going on.
Yeah, and that was why we want them to have loose leaf paper for homework, because they're going to probably most likely be using their cell phone, and we're going to give them this free app to scan, and then they would have all their multiple pictures that they would upload into Google Classroom at once. That was also in May how they did the AP exam. They had the kids upload their work. So if they've already practiced it in their regular class, it makes it easier for the end of the year if that's how the AP exam ends up being for the year 2021.
Anything else?
I think that's it for just a basic introduction. We look forward to this crazy year. It'll be a little different. It is a demanding class, but a very rewarding class. So we have a good system, and we work really well as a team, and the kids get a lot of team camaraderie. And like I say, it's really rewarding at the end. They feel a lot of accomplishment if they make it through, get a qualifying score, and earn that college credit, which is what we're aiming for and shooting for.
And it doesn't matter who your student has as one of us as a teacher, they will be working very closely with both of us.
Oh, we were gonna say, just to help the students out, this is Herney's room, and his room is right when you first do the enter doors in the math building, room 601. And then my room is in the middle of the hall in room 604.
Just 3 doors down.
Yeah, so we're both in the math building. If you can't find one of us, find the other one. We'll help you out, answer questions, and we'll know the schedule very well for both of us. So it doesn't really matter who you need to seek out, but just find one of us.
Yeah, we look forward to starting up with you guys next week. Take care.